Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. High style, high performance. Mercedes-Benz. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,